Hello viewers, hope you all are fine and having some great fun. In this video, you are going to learn how to calculate age in Excel. So Excel facilitates you to calculate your age in years, month or in days. So the function is simple, right here, equal and then dated if, start parenthesis, and here you will select the date. You can write the date in inverted commas or directly select the date as I have written here in this cell and then comma, and after that you will again write today and parentheses without inclusion of anything and then again comma, and if you want to calculate years then write y or rather small y in inverted commas and then close the parentheses and enter. Here you can see the Excel has calculated years from 20 April 79 to today. And if you want to calculate months, again type dated if, start the parentheses, select the cell and comma and then type today and again parentheses without writing anything in it and in inverted comma can write M and again inverted comma and close the parentheses and enter, and you can see it has calculated months. Similarly, if you want to calculate days, then you can use dated if, start the parentheses, select the date and then comma and today and again parentheses, comma and in inverted comma write small d and close the parentheses and enter. So it has calculated days. So this is how you can calculate your age in Excel. In the end, if this video has helped, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.